If you want to know how to come up with better video ideas for YouTube to grow your channel, your views, and subscribers, this is the video for you. All right, this is one of the creators I coach. He's now the top Pokemon YouTuber, but when I started with him a year ago, he was getting like 24,000, 8,000, sometimes a breakout hit over 250,000, 40,000, 30,000 views per video. Not bad, right? Well, fast forward about a year later, and boom, his channel is now getting 250,000 views per video minimum, but consistently delivering 300 to 400, sometimes breakout hits to over 700,000 views per video. How did we increase his consistency so much? It's very, very simple. It's the process I'm going to explain to you in this video. You don't have to pay me to consult to teach you this strategy. It's easy. You come up with better video topics and video ideas using this free tool called TubeBuddy. Go to tubebuddy.com/awallversus, install using my affiliate link, and I will teach you exactly how to use this free tool so that you can increase your views right now. Once you've installed TubeBuddy, you'll see this tab right up here. Go ahead and click it. It's free. I don't get paid by them to say that. I just use this tool for years to grow channels to millions of subscribers. It's just freaking awesome. There's the Keyword Explorer right here. This is where we're going to do all of our research to figure out what video ideas and topics we want to cover. And then after we create those topics, we're going to go right here and log them all in the video topic planner so you can keep them forever and you never forget your best ideas. Once you've opened the Keyword Explorer tab, just type in the topic that you want to cover. I'm going to do Fortnite because this is a topic that I get asked 1,000 times a year. How do I break into Fortnite or other competitive topics or video games? This is how you do it. Type in the term, explore it, and just look and see unweighted how competitive that topic really is. Very competitive, as you can see, right? Fortnite has 229 million monthly searches on YouTube, making it one of the biggest trends of all time in the history of humankind. So how do you break through? How do you come up with new ideas that other people haven't already done? First stop is go to the Video Topics tab. Right over here, it will literally feed you topic ideas after topic idea after topic idea that you could potentially cover. Try to find a topic that is better optimized, hopefully way better optimized than the primary topic. So one that looks interesting to me is where Fortnite dances came from. I don't know, I'm just going to randomly click this one. I don't know if it's, oh my, okay, there you go. It is optimized, as you can see. So I just randomly got lucky and chose one that is less competitive. As you can see, this tells you that this topic is interestingly low competition, decent search volume. There's 2.2 million videos that could suggest to you. You would go ahead and check the weighted tab and see how it looks with your amount of views versus others. As you can see, it's a little bit less favorable for me because I have a small personal channel, okay? But maybe for you, it'd be the different case. So let's just say this is the topic we're going for. Boom, problem solved. All right, maybe it's not that easy for you though. Maybe you can't just use the Video Topics tab and magically find something amazing like that, right? So let's go back here, go back to the main Fortnite key topic. Now we can look at video searches and go mine through this for subtopics that we could potentially cover. Maybe Fortnite Season 11 is something more specific that we could go after. Now that we've done Fortnite Season 11 as a subtopic, then dive back into the Video Topics tab and go see if there's something about Season 11 that you could potentially cover. I'm randomly clicking one, and as you can see, as you go more niche on the topics, the higher the probability that you can break through with those topics. The same process can be used for web search. By the way, web search is Google search. So Google search is obviously the #1 search engine in the world. So if you can find web searches for particular topics, then you're going to want to mine those out. Click Fortnite, go to web searches, and boom, you can find all of these big topics and subtopics, most importantly, that you can cover that can feed you ideas for you to find something that is highly optimized that you can cover on your channel. If you thought that was it, you're wrong. If you want to come up with better video ideas, there are other ways to do it too. Check it out. Just go look. If you click results, go look at the top search results on YouTube right here. You don't have to open up another tab. You don't have to go somewhere else. Just literally look at the top search results for the game and see if some of these top search results inspire you. Do you see a video here that is kind of meh? Do you see one that you feel you could do better? Like maybe you could make a better split screen video in Fortnite, an easy method, a better tutorial on how to do it, etc., etc. Go look at the top search results for the topics. Go find a weakness. Go find someone that did a video and you could make a better thumbnail, a better title, a better video than them, and you can break through with what I like to call the skyscraper strategy. And you can bust through the front page search results even for highly competitive topics. But wait, there's more. If you go to the trending tab, it automatically pulls up the trending queries. This is directly from Google Trends, youtube.com and google.com. You don't have to go to 3 separate places. You can see it all right here as to what's trending within the last 12 months, which is insane. It's so useful. You don't have to go other places, right? So you can do related queries to get more inspiration on video topics, the Marshmallow event, potentially, the trailer. Maybe you could do a reaction to the Season 11 trailer. Those are just ideas that could pop out here. Old Town Road Fortnite. Does that inspire you? Click any of these topics and get inspiration. And of course, if you want to look at top related queries, then you can look at what's most popular, and perhaps you could make a better version of one of these by clicking them and then maybe breaking through with something that is a bit more difficult to go after. If you're a smaller channel, I recommend looking at rising related queries as your first stop. And if you're a mid-sized to larger channel, I recommend looking at top related queries because your channel is large enough for you to break through with the tougher topics. And smaller channels, you're too small to break through over there, so you can break through on the smaller rising topics. Ride that wave in the trending tab. But wait, there's more. If you click the historical tab, you no longer have to go to Google Trends anymore to see what the interest is in something over time, which is freaking amazing. So if you're wondering, is that game, is that topic trending? Is it going up? Is it going down? It's all right here. Just literally look at it yourself. You can see a spike when there is a release or an announcement. You can see the dip right afterwards in terms of the hype. Perhaps you're starting to see it trend back up. Maybe that's the time for you to get back in. Maybe you pull open this tab and you're shocked that the trend that you're covering has died in the last year and you didn't even realize it because you never looked at the numbers. You've got to look at this tab to know how something's trending over time. And most importantly, this isn't Google search, this is YouTube search. This is literally the number of fresh eyeballs that are coming into YouTube that are looking for videos, and this can help you understand how much you can grow your channel by acquiring new audiences rather than just satisfying your current subscribers. Video topics need to be writing rising trends, or they can cover declining trends where other creators have left, right? It's a supply and a demand game. Sure, Fortnite's popularity has been declining over time, that's for sure. If a bunch of creators have left this topic, for example, that means there's lower supply, which means that you could get in there and you can provide content and fill in the gaps when they left. That could be an opportunity for you to succeed with better video ideas using research. Once you have your good topic through all of these juicy research tools, then go ahead and copy it. And what you're going to do is you're going to go over to that tab I was talking about earlier. Close out the Keyword Explorer, go over here to the TubeBuddy tab, scroll down to Video Topic Planner, and click it right here. This is where you can save that video idea that you just came up with, and you can add a new topic. You put in the title right here, what landmarks are in Fortnite Season 11. Then you can type in notes down here of your ideas of landmark A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It saves it right here, boom, and then it's in your list of topics. When you're done with it, you can complete it, and it's just saved in your complete tab right over here. And then if it's not completed, it'll be here in your current tab of all of your live ideas, if you will, that you're thinking about making, and you can just have this huge archive of all your best ideas to refer to. And as you can see, they make it easy to just launch the Keyword Explorer directly from here. If you get inspiration when you're looking for old video topics and ideas, and you're like, oh my God, I could do a new version of that, or I could do a 2020 version of that. I did one in 2018, I should repeat it, etc., etc. Let the inspiration strike you, then go do the research to confirm that that video idea, that topic, that title is really going to work. The results are real, guys. This is a free tool. They don't pay me to say this. TubeBuddy.com/AwallVersus. If you use this method, you will grow your YouTube channel over time. Planning the best topics, the best video ideas is the #1 way to become more successful. M&J TV is not the only client I've done this with. I've grown tons of other channels to over 1 million subscribers, made them profitable for years when all my competitors died off. Video topics are the king on YouTube. It's the foundation for everything that you're doing, and you can grow and you can hit those big view goals and those big growth goals over time if you're willing to put in the work. Thank you so much for watching, creators, and I'll see you in the next video. Download TubeBuddy right now because it's freaking amazing. Adios, creators. Go get it done.